Hola amigos! In this video, we're going to review 4 irregular verbs. The verbs ser, estar, tener, and ir. Well, what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are verbs that do not follow the 5-step process and or do not use the AR, ER, or IR verb endings. Irregular verb forms must simply be memorized. The first one that we're going to look at is the verb ser. Ser means to be, which are really words am, are, and is. Ser is used to describe what people in classes are like, used to tell the time, and used to say where people are from. Here are your forms of ser. We have soy, eres, es, somos, sois, and son. In some examples of those uses, we have ellas son reservadas, la clase es divertida, son las 2 en punto de la tarde, nosotros somos de los Estados Unidos. The next verb that we're going to look at is estar. Estar also means to be. Those words am, are, and is. Estar is used to describe where people and things are located and used to tell how people feel. Here are your forms of the verb estar. We have estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. Notice the accent marks in there. And some example of those uses. ¿Dónde estás tú? Los cuadernos están debajo de la silla. El alumno está enfermo. Next verb is tener. Tener means to have. It's used to tell what hair color people have, used to tell what classes people have, and used to tell what people have to do. The forms of tener are tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, and tienen. Note the G in the yo form and that extra letter I in the tú, usted, él, ella, ustedes, ellos, ellas forms. Some examples of the uses of tener. Tu amigo tiene pelo rubio. Yo tengo 6 clases en mi horario. Ustedes tienen que contestar las preguntas. And the last verb that we're going to look at is ir. Ir means to go. Ir is used to tell what places people go to and used to tell where people go in order to do things. The forms of the verb ir are voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, and van. And some examples of those uses. Los sábados yo voy al cine con mis amigos. Para nadar, ellos van a la piscina. So to wrap up and review, irregular verbs don't follow the 5 steps and or use the regular AR, ER, or IR endings. Their forms must be memorized. And the verbs ser, which is to be, estar, which is also to be, tener, which is to have, and ir, which is to go, are irregular.